Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A3 headlight bulb. Before you begin, please ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Safety is key, so wear protective gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass. You'll need a new H7 bulb and a T25 torque screwdriver for this task. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get to the bulb. First, open your car's hood. You'll see the headlight assembly clearly. There are usually two T25 torque screws holding the entire headlight unit in place. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the headlight unit forward. This will give you enough space to reach the back of the assembly where the bulb is housed. Take your time with this step. With the headlight unit accessible, you can now replace the bulb. Locate the bulb holder at the back of the unit. Gently twist it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. Carefully pull out the old bulb and disconnect its electrical connector. Now, take your new H7 bulb, connect it to the electrical connector, and insert it into the holder. Remember not to touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands. Almost done. Once the new bulb is in its holder, twist it clockwise to lock it securely into the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position in the car. Reinstall the two T25 torque screws you removed earlier, making sure they are snug. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your Audi A3 headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.